And so it might seem counterintuitive to pick fast content with thick accents, but in reality, it's like if the goal is to speak with natives, if the goal is to have a conversation, a back and forth with a native, then training for natives is literally what you want to do, because you're training for the fight. Because the goal is to speak with the native. It's not to speak with someone who speaks slowly, right? And so at first, it'll take a long time because it's extremely hard to understand real fast Spanish. But that's the point, right? The point is that it will be extremely hard and it'll take a long time in the beginning. But what happens is, if done consistently, you'll be able to understand the entire piece of content. And then what happens is, whenever you hear a real native speak in another piece of content, or in real life even, you'll pick up on the words much easier because you've trained for that. You've literally trained for hearing words said by natives in native context, with native accents, with speed. And so next time you encounter it in real life, it won't be a surprise. And so you're training for the fight that you want to fight. And so you're actually training for the thing that you want to get better at. And by the way, if you're just getting started, I highly recommend joining the Speedy Spanish Hub. It's a free community I created with a bunch of free resources and guides to help you start learning Spanish with these methods. And it'll be the first link in the description.